Welcome to Dad Got Parks. Not at a park. We're at the East End Market in Orlando, and this is the home of the original Gideon's Cookie location. And the market is celebrating 10 years being open, and they're having like a little special event. So we're gonna check it out. We got tickets for the event. They're doing tastings. All the little vendors are doing like different things. It's like a whole event. So we'll check out all the little vendors, check out all the little items and such.
Hello.
The kiddo is here with us, and there'll be cookies and food and all sorts of stuff. Music. Let's go check it out.
I want to go to the candy.
And there's a candy jar. I don't know. What'd you get? Nice. Thank you so much.
And if you end up liking it, there's $10 at the bar.
Awesome. The first sample of the night, an old fashioned. Oh, it's pretty good. Strong, but good. We got to meet Steve, the owner of Gideon's. That was so cool.
Yeah.
He asked the kiddo what her favorite cookie was, and she froze. She straight up froze. She was like, and then she said, triple chocolate chip. And he was like, okay, as long as you didn't say cookies and cream. I don't know why he has like something against cookies and cream.
Maybe he doesn't like it. If he doesn't like cookies and cream, maybe
I don't know.
Disgusting. Or it tastes like feet.
Feet? I want to make sure I know where they're coming from.
Yes, of
What's
course.
the sauce?
It's a chili mango sauce.
Ooh.
You don't want that.
This is from Cuisiners.
Oh, Ellie, I see you, babe.
Oh my God, that's delicious. Yeah, the heat's really mild.
Yeah, I tried to keep it balanced. The fat from the coconut really helps
Yeah.
cut the acid and the heat.
Special Gideon's package.
It's going to be everybody asks, it's our raspberry chocolate coffee cake covered in chocolate.
Ooh, raspberry chocolate coffee cake covered in chocolate. That just sounds fantastic.
Raspberry bites.
Oh, that sounds so good. Uh-huh.
And kind of started this snowball of where things are now, where we can't do anything without.
You can't do anything without going nuts.
No. I'm gonna go get my pen, and we're gonna.
Your special pen, I heard.
Yeah,
I
it's
heard.
gotta be.
Awesome, thank you.
And everybody makes fun of the way that I sign stuff because I prime it in my head,
Oh, okay.
and I do that with like even when I have to sign like 700 prints, I'm at home going, okay, here we go, and now. And if I don't like it, I'll throw it away and start all over again. Like, I'm really picky about it.
Versus me, my signatures are just squiggles.
Oh, look at that.
There we go, Morning Joe, and it's a paint pen, so it takes a minute to
Oh.
To dry, okay.
dry. That's why I'm signing on here, because my signature will go off the card and onto everything else. It's a mess. Where do I want to sign? I don't think I've ever signed one of these before.
Oh.
No, I don't think so. Because I'm thinking, where do I sign it? I don't like
You're
to go over
right,
the
yeah.
stone.
Oh, interesting. Maybe
How about
to the
right
side.
there?
There you
Does
go.
that feel right?
That feels right.
Sharp prime. Yeah.
I think that looks perfect.
Yeah. So yeah, it usually just takes a minute and then they're great forever.
Yes.
I'm trying to be better. Trying to
Well,
stash a little bit of everything that we
Put a little
do.
bit of something away for
Yeah,
everything.
we got the Gideon's ball where we just have like a little bit.
Yep.
A little bit.
Because it's crazy, you don't know what's going to take off, like what
Yeah.
people are going to go nuts for.
Yeah, and it's completely up and down.
It's random.
Yeah. A lot of people don't realize that we order things usually months in advance.
Yeah.
And so we have to decide months ago what's going to be popular today or what the tone is going to be like today. Because some months people are all over everything, and some months it's just kind of calm.
Yeah. And you guys have like such a unique vibe, and it's caught on. I do have one question for you. I had heard a rumor that inside Gideon's in Disney Springs, that there is a copy of the Necronomicon.
There is. There's one here too.
There's one here too. I have been looking every time I come and I still have never found it.
It's a tough one to find because the spine isn't identifiable as something unique.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I'm a huge Army of Darkness fan.
Yeah, I'm a Sam Raimi junkie. Evil Dead 2 is my favorite movie.
Okay.
Evil Dead 2 and Amadeus.
Can you at least give me a clue as to where to look? Don't tell me, don't ruin it for me as to where it is.
I can't.
But give me a zone,
I
a
can't
clue.
give you anything. You're just
Nothing?
gonna have to scan.
Ah, okay. Well, at least you've confirmed the rumor.
The rumor is true.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, congratulations
And I
on
will tell you that our art director Mike
Okay.
hates that I did that.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
Gideons isn't a horror. Like there's nothing
Right.
horror
It's
about
not. It's not
Gideons.
macabre.
Yeah.
It's not horror.
I just love that movie, so
Me too. I'm a
I
huge
had
fan
to
of
tuck
it,
in there.
so.
And the original design, like that's on the bags that have the little hands and the Gideon's G,
Yeah.
is an homage to the movie poster for Amadeus. So there's a nod to my two favorite movies.
That is
snuck in
awesome.
at the beginning.
That is awesome. Well, thank you. And you have a great time. You deserve all the success.
I appreciate
Thank you for the
it.
time. Take care.
Thank you.
Pairing. This is the Meredith Dairy Feta. It is a sheep and goat milk blend from Australia. This is one of my absolute favorite cheeses. It is crack. You can put it on your face at night and have anti-aging properties.
Oh, nice.
I'm kidding, but it's really creamy.
I'll try that.
would have believed you, honestly.
So yeah, give it a little taste. You've got very full hands, don't you? So good. Decadent, you get that lactic acid in the goat milk that's so good. Then the sheep's milk is super creamy, and that just really blends together for something just such a treat. And then that unoaked Chardonnay with all the acid that it has, just
Ooh, very good.
amazing.
That was fantastic, by the way.
Yep. All right, so then this is Rumano Pradera. Rumano Pradera is an aged Gouda. It's 4 years aged Gouda. So I want you to go ahead and try the cheese. And then it's going with this Shiraz Viognier blend. And here are your little chocolate pieces. Those are chocolate almonds from Peterbrook Chocolates here in Winter Park. Try the cheese. Now go into the almond.
So
And then go into
cheese,
the
then
wine.
almond, then
Oh my
wine?
God, all of it, just all of it together.
Okay.
All together? Yeah. There's no order really.
Cheese,
Just-
then almond.
And then almond, and then more cheese, and then more wine, and then more chocolate. Rinse and repeat.
Ooh.
It's killer. Because my
That's
favorite
great.
part, I love all of the ingredients together.
That's really good. That's really good. Ooh. What do we got here? In a kimchi butter. Ooh.
And to also be sending out businesses that were born and raised here to inoculate the rest of the country with Orlando awesomeness. So thank you for supporting us for 10 years. We promise to keep the radar on and keep kicking ass for you, and bringing great new stuff here, great events like this. So thank you for showing up. We will continue to deliver for you. Cheers to 10 years. Thank you so much. Enjoy your evening.
That's what I'm trying to.
Your first chai.
There's more.
It's a long pause. Cold brew black. Oh, it's good. Cold brew white. The white is definitely sweeter than the black.
Did you want to try a dare cup?
What are they?
So this is going to be our dare cup. It has crushed Oreos, our house-made cashew cream, and then a blue spirulina and chia pudding.
Ooh, I will definitely try that. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Hi, welcome. Do you guys want
How
to
you
try
doing?
your- I told you you'd be back. I told you you'd be back.
Oh, she gave me one. It was delicious.
You want another? I won't tell.
And that is going to do it for this special event over at East End Market. Happy 10th anniversary to East End Market. Dad may be very excited that he got some signatures from Steve at Gideon's and got to be at this cool event. But Dad doesn't do outros, even on special events. So that's it. Bye. If you enjoyed that video, why not throw Dad a good old like and subscribe and do the notification thing? Or leave me a comment about what your favorite part of this video was. That would really help Dad out, and you can go check out one of these other videos. I'm sure they're fantastic. I mean, I made them, so I'm pretty sure they're fantastic. All right, yeah, do that stuff.